NEST exam. NEST 2023 registration begins tomorrow on nestexam.in. NEST 2023 candidates can apply for the entrance exam up to May 17 on nestexam.in. As per information available on the official exam website, nestexam.in, eligible candidates can register for the exam up to May 17. As per the schedule of exam-related activities, NEST admit cards will be available for download on June 12 and the exam will be held on June 24, 2023. NEST 2023 result will be announced on July 10. National Entrance Screening Test (NEST) is held for admission to National Institute of Science Education and Research (NISER), Bhubaneswar and University of Mumbai, Department of Atomic Energy Center for Excellence in Basic Sciences (UMDI-KEBS). Both NISER and UMDI-KEBS was set up by Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India in 2007. Now, NEST 2023 merit list for both NISER and KEBS institutes will be prepared considering candidates' scores of the best 3 subjects out of the total 4. Thanks for watching.